Hey guys, this is the 25-in-1 screwdriver for cell phones. Like you see, it's very small. It's like on each of my fingers, my hand. I already open in this view because I'm fixing the phone. You can see key. I have one right now. You have to do it to take it. You see, you put it the same way. It's very easy to put them. Well, right now it's not very easy because I just make one hand, but one finger, and that's it. This spin, so it's easy when you make that. You can see it's very nice touch. It's smooth, very light. It's a nice kit. You have a Philips, you have this one's very good kit. So I suggest you buy it. It's nice to have at home.